Ash, I want to show you guys what are we dealing with. Reservoir Ridge. This is what we are dealing with. I want to show you what we're dealing with. See, this is what we are dealing with. I want to show you something. They've turned this place into some area ngare go Mogadishu or what is that? Yeah, see what they do. They slaughter here. They do stuff. You see, this is what's happening here. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. This is how we live here. And all of these guys are illegal foreign nationals. Not that we're hating guys, but they're making our place look like a mess. I'll show you from the other side. It really looks bad. Like bad. And apparently in MogaleCity we don't have bylaws. Apparently, allegedly, according to one leader, we don't have bylaws in MogaleCity. See, I'm gonna show you from the other side what happens in our area. See, let's do it from here. I'm gonna show you something from here. Look at this. See, everybody just come and direct them cuckoo the way they want to. Look, this is how our place looks like. And this is an upmarket type of a area. Look at these people. Look at this. Is this how we're supposed to live? Mozambique, Zimbabwe, all of those. Oh, see those chickens? They slaughter them here. And it is just normal. Look at this. This is how we live here. See the paws. See those paws. They cook here. See, they cook here. They do all sorts of things here. We don't have a problem with people. You see this mikuku here, illegal mikukus here. All of these. Look. And I can tell you, only I think 10% of the people who are trading here are local people. 10%. I can count maybe 2-3 guys here who are from local. All of these guys are not from here. Mara, this is what they do. They mess up this place. Even if they were local, they don't have to mess up a place like this. This is nonsense. And then there are these people, the taxi guys. Look, see how they park in front of us. Look, this guy just is in front of me. And I could almost tell until whatever happens. So I'm not gonna even reverse. I'm not gonna move. Every day I have to wait. See? No matter oncoming traffic. Mara, on your left. Oh, you see? This is your friend. He's your friend, you see? This is wrong, guys. I'm blocking no. Block kada. ShopRite. No, ShopRite. Serious. Kita taxi amang in. Serious. Okay, sharp. You see? This is what we're dealing with. Every day. This is our life. Nonsense. And the government is not intervening. They say there are no bylaws. Rubbish, nonsense. But we'll deal with it.